Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to download and install Dev C++ on laptop or PC in Windows. Now first of all go to Google and search Dev C++. Now open the first website. Now scroll down and click download the original Dev C++. Now just download the file. Now open the downloaded setup. Click OK. So wait for it. Click OK. Click I agree. Next, install. So it will take few seconds to install on your laptop or PC, so wait for it. Now you can see it is totally installed. Thanks for watching.